All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So explore. 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 To go to new places. Discover new places, things, or ideas. So I went and explored around Scotland. Soon I will explore North Wales. They want to explore France. It is a new island and needs to be explored. We need to go there and look out, look here, inspect there, travel across the island. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. Soon he. So he will go exploring with her. She wants to come with me and explore the mountain. The mountain. How cool is that? Yeah. I will explore the world. The world. Yeah. Yes. I need to explore every country. How cool is that? She is going to explore with me. Now, how are they going to explore together? How can they go exploring there? How can they go exploring there? How? I explored Scotland. I went around Scotland and explored all sorts of places. I explored and saw all kinds of places in northern Scotland. Yeah. How cool is that? Very good. I'm planning to explore Wales. Yes. So I will go exploring Wales. Wales in mid-October. Yeah. How cool is that? We will explore South America together. Yes, so there is a whole continent that we can explore together. Yes, go, see, witness, experience, explore, experiment, and experience. Explore, experiment, and experience. Wow. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use explore in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.